Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamaican-style shrimp Alfredo. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including 1 pound of large shrimp, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, and a blend of authentic Jamaican spices like Scotch bonnet pepper and allspice. Having everything ready ensures a smooth cooking process for this flavorful dish. Next, let's prepare the shrimp. Clean and devine 1 pound of large shrimp, then pat them dry. Season the shrimp generously with jerk seasoning, a pinch of salt and black pepper. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat with 1 tablespoon of oil or butter. Cook the shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, just until they turn pink and opaque. Be careful not to overcook them, as this can make them tough. Remove the cooked shrimp and set them aside. Now for the star of the show, the Jamaican Alfredo sauce. In the same skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium-low heat and sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic until fragrant. Whisk in 2 cups of heavy cream, allowing it to gently simmer. Gradually add 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, stirring until smooth. Incorporate 1 tablespoon of jerk seasoning to give it that distinctive Jamaican flavor, ensuring a creamy and spicy sauce. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your cooked fettuccine pasta to the creamy Jamaican Alfredo sauce, tossing to coat every strand. Gently fold in the cooked shrimp. Garnish with fresh parsley or thinly sliced green onions for a vibrant finish. Serve immediately and enjoy this delicious fusion meal. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.